Yo, it's ODB from OLP. I want to do a quick unboxing. The family over at Hamburg Weekend Wear sent over the newer items. These were the items that I had picked up. And I should have threw on my Steel Flame shirt. And of course I did not. But I want you to check this out. So recently they launched, they do 2 new designs, give or take every 60 days. So you have this guy, which is the Isuzu Pup. And of course it is a space cab. Mike likes to call them all extended cabs. You can get these typically in banners, of course shirts, stickers, and a lot more. Oftentimes in the pre-order, you can pick up hoodies and things like that. They'll typically stock those. This car is amazing. This was, I believe, the first car that they put on their artwork, which is super awesome. And this isn't to be confused. I was confused at one moment. This wasn't the car that was an LST. This is another one, and another lowrider, if you will. The cool thing about this too is on their website they always acknowledge whose vehicle it is and things like that. This is pretty cool for the lifted and the lowered guys, bit of both. And then you have the Tacoma and then the Ford F-250. The other great thing that I love about Hammered Weekend Wear, when you visit HAMMERD weekendwear.com, you'll be able to see all of their other products. The great thing is they've been producing high quality merchandise for many years now. So they have a bunch of stuff. Sometimes they'll do a restock, not always. I would highly ask, if you want to support OLP, go out and support Hammered Weekend Wear. They'll be at Mini-Nat and at so many shows, way more shows even than OLP. Visit their awesome setup. They'll often have skate decks, again, stickers, and so much more. Those are 3 designs, and I need to still pick up. I thought that I picked up the Steel Flame banner, so I'll get that as well. I'm working on some big stuff here, so I'll be able to display my banners. I have a whole stack of them, and I'm super excited. I did buy the Steel Flame shirt, which again is inside, and that's super cool. Congrats again to Don on that. Stay on the rise and support our kinfolk at Hammered Weekend Wear. Down with OLP since day one. ODB, we out ya. Peace.